Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones on YouTube. How are you guys doing? Hopefully, you guys are all well, healthy, and are feeling good. Haven't been here in a while, few months. This is my first video I've done in last month or so. In last video I did was since June of investment. I did other couple videos or something else, but um, right now what we are watching on the chart is Bitcoin. Um, Bitcoin was supposed to have a very good rise, good pump, as El Salvador has adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. Um, that's huge. That's huge. If you don't understand what legal tender is, you might have to go and figure it out and do some research. Or maybe if you guys want to know about it, I'll do another video called explaining what the difference between legal tender and medium of exchange are, because there is a big difference. Um, so as you guys could see, let me put on my charts. As you guys could see, Bitcoin right here, from the 5 minute all the way to the 4 hour is downtrend. The red dot represents my EMAs that are in the downward trajectory. Um, so technically, this is a typical pump and sell. You know what I mean? They pump it up, get everybody all riled up, getting excited to kind of make money on there, and they sell off. So they're gonna sell it off. And let's look at the chart real quick. Hold on. Let's look at the chart. As you guys could tell, I trade the 4 hour, the 30 minute, and the 5 minute. So let's do just regular. Boom. Okay. You can see right here with the head and shoulders, double bottom. This was September 1st. Up here, as you guys can tell, we hit a peak. From the peak, from peak performance high, all the way to the bottom, it was 96,564 pips. So from 52,915 all the way up to $42,000 in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 20 hours. So in 20 hours, they had almost a $10,000 price changed. And he said, the market does what it does. I want to show you guys a couple of the charts. This is one of the charts. Let's see. This is one of the charts. This is one of the new charts that I made. Here's the one that I usually use. This one has a lot of my indicators. Let's see. Okay. Boom. As you guys could tell, this one has a lot more indicators. And people are like, how can you do that? Well, it's because I kind of understand what each indicator does, so I just kind of pretty much understand what I'm looking for. Okay, boom. You see, that's my trend band. Boom, boom. Look at that. Right here, we just entered a downtrend from right here. See my signals, sell signals. Not only do I have a peak performance high that was given to me today at 4 o'clock, and then after that was just murderous. And this is an Elliott wave movement, banker method movement. You know what I mean? They understand how to take the money out of the market. Okay. The longer trend already, the price action is already down. We are in a strong downtrend. Let's see. Let's go with the hour. Let's see what the hour shows. Okay. We have a buy signal on BTC as we cross up. So you see we are about to kind of see how we have my green candle. We might see an up. We might continue seeing a down bottom, so we can kind of get a pullback. Okay. For people that trade at 5 minutes, like I do a lot. Let's see. Because gold had a shift as well, as you guys could tell. Right now, it's not moving much. There's a lot of consolidation going on right now. Look at that. A lot of consolidation. After that big, huge move, they're doing a huge consolidation. Okay? And that's just... Okay. Let's see. You know, and that's one of the reasons why I use indicators a lot. You know what I mean? It helps me once I understand what each indicator does. I use them for my benefit. Okay, so let's go look at Ethereum, because Ethereum had a drop as well. So from 5 minutes to the 4 hours downtrend, we might go lower because we're already getting a notification on the daily. On the daily, we're going sideways, as you could tell by the purple box on the daily. But with that red, the red represents that we're going down. Price action is going down. You guys could see right here it's going down. So here's the way that I trade my charts. Okay, so I have my 4-hour chart, right? Okay, so I got my 4-hour chart. Then I have, hold on. So we could see more of the chart. Hold on. Okay, so we got a 4-hour chart. Let me get my indicator, my template out. Okay. So as you guys can see, these are my 4-hour, my 30-minute, and my 5-minute. So technically, I'm jumping in my trades through the half hour, looking at the 4-hour trend as my bias and the direction I'm going. Does it make sense? And then I just trigger and come in on the 5-minute to just get a better position on that. You see this candle right here, watch. Okay. This candle right here, hold on, where you saw that, right? This candle right here, this is my daily candle. So we're still going downtrend, as you guys could see. Will that 42,000 get retested again? It's a good chance. We might see a little trend, because here is our male. So we are underneath it, so we might touch this area again from the, so technically resistance is at 46,000 583, and the support is going to be at 42,000 something. Okay. So let's go look at Ethereum, because Ethereum had a huge drop as well. Let's see. Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum, as you guys could tell, let me go into my 4-hour. Okay, so as you guys could tell, that huge sell-off. Look at that huge sell-off. So it hit a peak, A peak. This is a peak performance high. Once I see this, I usually look for good positions to go short because this is the peak performance highs of the trend and the cycle. Okay, you could tell there was a little, even though it was going downtrend, you'll see the bankers putting in their buy orders in because they're buying Ethereum at $3,400 instead of paying $3,900. So they're saving $500 right off the rip. You know what I mean? So they're already putting in their orders ready to go that route. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Okay, so let's look at Ethereum long wise. Okay, I just want to kind of show you guys this. Okay, so Ethereum on the long trend monthly, we are in a uptrend. What was it? In May 1st, we hit and set our all-time high of the trend. Okay, 43, $4,373. Okay. Then we had a pushback, a pullback right here. See, goes up, boom, drops down, comes this way, here. So they had to drop the price so that we get a better price. Let's go to the weekly. Uh, okay, so here would have been a good buy-in right there. You see, so on the weekly we are in a pullback. See, look, I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, so this is okay. So what I did here, I'm able to see it on all my charts. So here is the weekly high at $3,970. It's the weekly high of Ethereum. Okay, so that's how I'm pretty much how I trade. You know what I mean? I get my highs and then I kind of work my way up to it. Okay. Um. Okay. What else? What else? Okay. What else? What else? What else drops? Let's look at. See, Dogecoin. It's sideways from 5 minute, 15 minute. Then it's downtrend. Let's see. Let's see. Gold. Gold. Let's take you guys gold. Gold. Like I said, what could have cost this shift in market? What could have caused this shift in market? You know what I mean? One of the things we have to keep in mind that millions of people a couple of days ago, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, lost their unemployment benefits. Millions upon millions people lost their benefits. Okay, remember when the government's paying out money, it creates a liability, so it makes the dollar be weaker. Okay, so that's what was the reason why a lot of the commodities, a lot of the cryptos were going up the opposite direction. Okay, now that all those accounts payable, if you could say that, are out the way, now the dollar has a little bit of strength. You know, now what the government's doing now is they're taking their assets, dollars, and buying some of this crypto, some of this gold, some of this natural resources. But they're not going to pay retail price. Hell no. So they need to pump it, then dump it, and then ride the wave again. That's just how it is. Okay, so we're going to look at gold. Let's go with gold. Let's go with gold. You can tell. See, it's catching wind though. It's turning around. So overall, it's daily's uptrend. Okay. Okay. So, let me see. So this is an actual life trade that I'm in, and I mean I'm trying I'm trying something new on it. As you guys could tell, I am 10 pips down on this one. Let's see. So I got a 1 to 2 risk reward. Risking $7 to win 15. You know what I mean? I said I'll be in and out of this trade in a few. Let's see. I'll be out of this trade in a few. Yeah, we're gonna pull back to the. We should pull back to 1811. Go in and out quick. But I just kind of wanted to go over the market with you guys and just say, man, keep it going. Like I said, it happens. But you need to kind of understand and better position yourself when big news are coming. Okay? Peace, love, and abundance be upon y'all. Talk to you guys later.